70. Cause and effect. Cause and effect.
Nothing happens by coincidence. It's all a result of cause and effect.
Discipline.
Scientific disciplines include natural science, social science, etc. Some parents argue that there should be better discipline in schools. The Spartans were savagely disciplined if they violated the rules. South Korea has well-disciplined military forces.
Sheer.
The sheer size of the statue intimidated everyone who looked at it. The audience was overwhelmed with sheer delight as they watched the concert.
Coincidence.
It was sheer coincidence that we met at an airport in Rome.
By coincidence.
By coincidence, he saw the tree struck by lightning.
Propel.
The spaceship will be propelled through the power generated by nuclear fusion.
Trial and error.
Science has advanced through trial and error.
Bronze.
Many sculptors used bronze to create statues due to its inability to rust.
Copper.
Copper allows electricity and heat to pass through easily.
Tin.
Bronze is composed of copper and tin. Mom opened a tin of tomatoes and poured its contents into the pasta sauce.
Brass.
The candlestick is made of brass. A brass band is generally made up of brass instruments and drums.
Zinc.
Brass is a mixture of copper and zinc.
Invent.
Edison was an American inventor who invented many devices.
Rust.
There are patches of rust on the metal sheet. Bronze doesn't rust, so it is used for many purposes.
Harness.
The old windmill harnessed the power of wind to crush grains. The farmer harnessed the horse to plow. He was hanging upside down in a harness of a parachute. The horseman made a harness for his new horse.
Fusion.
The fusion of copper and tin produces bronze. This dish is a fusion of various styles of cuisine.
Generate.
The construction of the new factory will generate 1,000 jobs. The wind farm generates enough electricity for the whole town.
Candlestick.
The priests put dozens of candles on the silver candlesticks.
Patch.
The black cat had a few white patches on its back. She sewed leather patches on the elbows of the jacket. From the top of the hill, the painter saw patches of land where different crops were grown.
Sew.
He sewed a patch of leather on the hole in his pants.
Leather.
She purchased a bag made of soft leather.
Hang.
The lamp was hung from the ceiling.
Lamp.
She brought a lamp into the room and put it on the table.
Ceiling.
The rooms in the old palace have high ceilings.
Parachute.
He jumped from the airplane and opened his parachute. Words in context. Science can be classified into various disciplines. In fact, science is a disciplined way to study the natural world. Scientists suppose that everything is the result of cause and effect, and that nothing happens by sheer coincidence. In practice, human knowledge has been propelled by trial and error. Through trial and error, humans developed better qualities of bronze, a mixture of copper and tin, and brass, a mixture of copper and zinc. In the same way, We have invented metals that don't rust. Besides, we have always tried to harness natural power. Now scientists are even trying to create nuclear fusion here on Earth, which is the way the sun generates its energy.